Welcome back, everybody. We are here at Smoked Barbecue. Well, you can do that, but it's supposed to be a sandwich. So a little backstory, if you guys care. So in college, there was this one of the restaurants on campus served a steak sandwich. I always got it because it seemed to be cheaper than the steak by itself. I think they probably did some kind of side with it when you ordered just the steak. However, I was like, this is delicious, so good. So that was a few years ago, and I thought, well, no, why not recreate that today and throw a little smoked rib barbecue flair on it, and I can let her try some too. I'm not sure if she'll be able to very successfully try this because it's so big, but I can give it a shot. So good. So this is a steak. I wanted to get New York strip steaks. However, the store was out of them, so we ended up with, I think, top sirloin or something, some generic steak. It doesn't matter. This is a steak sandwich. Definitely did not want to do a ribeye. Just want to do something basic with this. So that's why it's there. We have Havarti cheese with grilled onions. Can't wait. Looks delicious. And then we also did the toasted of the bread with a herb and butter, fresh garlic spread. Cannot wait. How's the bread? Pretty good? Good? Yeah, okay.
I can now actually taste the garlic.
Can you taste it?
Garlic.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Good. Cheers. This is going to be ugly. Take off that piece.
If I could fit my mouth over it, you can.
I know, it came up a little bit.
Yeah.
Can't be missing all the cheese. Tell you what, I'm gonna get a knife for you. I'll make it better, okay? Every single recipe I saw online, except for a few of the barbecue ones, yeah, they wanted you to slice up the steak and then put on the sandwich. I was like, well, that's great. That wasn't what my experience was in that college restaurant, so that's why I kept it whole. And then, but maybe that might be a little asking too much for her to eat a whole sandwich like that. So do that.
I have steak parts.
So
bread with cheese.
yeah, we're gonna. I'm
It's like
gonna do something fun here. Cut that off. And cut this off right here. Watch your fingers. And now we're gonna do this. How's that? Boom. That's a good steak sandwich. Yeah? Okay.
yay.
Oh, little dog.
Crazy.
Love leftovers. The steak is probably, I'd say a medium. For this kind of stuff, I didn't really care too much about getting like a perfect medium rare. That wasn't the aim of it. And it rested a little longer than I was expecting to anyway, because of the bread was getting toasted properly. But, oof.
Yeah, upside down.
Mm-hmm.
I took a big piece. I took it upside down.
That's what I do. There you go. Not sure if I can see this on the camera. Hopefully it's still recording. Looks pretty good. Cheers. I've taken a lot of bites. I'm not sure how much I've actually... Well, that's fine. Okay, fine. I've actually gotten.
I just want to taste the cheese. That's how big of a bite I took.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy.
Mm. This is messy. I'm expecting all this.
Nah.
All right, I'm calling this a winner. I'm happy with how this turned out. Bread tastes amazing. Steak's really good. Onions are just phenomenal. Havarti cheese, pretty good. I think some other recipes called for provolone cheese. I think that might be what we do next time, just to give it a different spin on it.
Taste.
Taste, exactly. Otherwise, I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for watching.
No.
Anything else to say? No? Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Do you want to say our outtake? Keep barbecuing America?
You already said it.
I didn't say it. Say it. I can't hear that. Keep barbecuing America. Thanks for watching, everybody.
This bread is good.
Cheers.
I'm telling mommy that.